Hey guys, here is my 2021 Kohler Kingston installed. Well, let's see how it flushes when it's inside the house compared to outside. I would say it's probably a bit stronger than it was flushing outside. But as you saw, that was a press and release flush. And I'm going to give it kinda flush was alright. Let's see how it flushes with the handle held down. I like how long the flush is, so I'll give it that. As you may have noticed, it fills up much quieter than the 2013 Gerber Maxwell, which was known for filling up pretty loud. Well, this was installed in January 25th of 2025. Well, can't wait to see how it does on normal use. Let's see how it does and see how many clogs it would happen a year. I'm gonna guess probably once a year, but we'll have to see. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye. And it's just right on time when it done filling. Also, this is a slow close seat.